In this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Windows Media Player error in detail. Many times, you click on a video that you left, for example in this case on the desktop. It's a music video. I click play and it doesn't play. The cursor starts spinning if it spins a lot, and after a long wait, the error message will appear. Well, the notification has appeared, mentioning that there is an error in the server execution. Let's see how to fix this. I click on accept. So to fix this, I go to start, click, search for control panel, then in control panel, I look for programs. Click, we see, turn Windows features on or off. Next to the shield we have that link, we click, OK. This box opens and we look for where it says multimedia features, and Windows Media Player opens. I uncheck that box, and this message appears warning us that if we disable Windows Media Player, other features and programs of Windows installed on this computer, including the default settings, may be affected. Do you want to continue? You can select yes. Alright, then they click on accept and are going to restart. I'm going to cut the video so it doesn't get too long, okay? Because this is going to take some time. But you know, after accept, restart the system, restart the computer, and after restarting the computer, we will have our system active again. Once again, we go to the control panel, click, and look for programs, and then we go to activate or deactivate the Windows checkboxes. A small window opens. We wait, and look for where it says multimedia features. We click on the little cross on the left side and see that the boxes are already checked. Since they are checked, we can leave it there, close it, accept, and our Windows Media Player is now activated. We have Windows Media Player enabled. Let's see how this video that couldn't be opened before now opens, more or less quickly. And we can now visualize it. Very well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Yusan.